Hello everyone. Welcome to English Listening. Don't forget to subscribe to improve your English now. Today I want to tell you about how to introduction to the others. Hello, my name is Ben. I am happy to introduce myself to you today. I am learning English and I want to practice speaking more. Let me tell you about myself, my family, my hobbies, and my goals in life. I hope you enjoy listening to my introduction. I was born in England. I grew up in a small town and I have lived there for many years. My hometown is a beautiful place with kind people, nice weather and peaceful surroundings. There are parks, schools and markets in my town. I like living there because it feels like home. The people in my town are friendly and I enjoy talking to them. I have many friends in my hometown, and we have fun together. I live with my family. My family is very important to me. In my family there are 5 people: my father, my mother, my younger brother and younger sister, and me. My father is a doctor, and my mother is a teacher. They work hard every day to take care of us. My parents always teach me good values like honesty, kindness, and respect. I have a brother who is 13 years old and sister who is 7 years old. We play together and help each other. Sometimes we argue, but we always love each other. My family is my biggest support, and I am grateful for them. I am a student. I am studying at the University of Management. I like learning new things, and I try my best in school. My favorite subject is marketing because it is interesting and useful. I also like my teachers and classmates. They are kind and helpful. Sometimes studying can be difficult, but I never give up. I believe that education is important for my future. I have many hobbies. In my free time, I enjoy reading books, watching movies, playing games, listening to music, cooking, and drawing. I also like outdoor activities such as going out with my friends and playing sports, going for walks, and riding my bicycle. Sometimes I try new hobbies to learn new skills. Hobbies make me happy and help me relax. One of my favorite hobbies is reading. I love reading books because they teach me new things. I like adventure stories, fairy tales, and history books. Reading helps me improve my imagination and knowledge. I also enjoy watching movies. My favorite movie is Adventure because it has a great story and good characters. I watch movies in my free time and sometimes with my family. Music is also a big part of my life. I like listening to different types of music. My favorite singer is Bruno Mars, Justin Bieber, Ed Sheeran. Their songs make me feel happy and relaxed. Sometimes I sing along to my favorite songs. I also like dancing to music when I am alone in my room. Another hobby of mine is cooking. I love trying new recipes and making delicious food. Cooking is fun, and it makes me feel creative. Sometimes I cook for my family and they enjoy my food. I hope to learn more recipes in the future. I also enjoy traveling. I like visiting new places, meeting new people, and learning about different cultures. Traveling helps me see the world in a new way. I want to visit many countries in the future. My dream destination is going to Cambodia to see the Angkor Wat, Chinese, India. I want to go there and explore the culture, food, and nature. Now, let me tell you about my personality. I am a kind and friendly person. I like helping others and making new friends. I always try to be polite and respectful. I believe that kindness makes the world a better place. I am also a hard-working and responsible person. When I start something, I try my best to finish it. I do not give up easily, and I always look for solutions to problems. I have many dreams and goals. One of my biggest goals is to speak English fluently. English is an important language, and it helps me communicate with people from different countries. I practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing every day. I believe that learning English will open many doors for me in the future. I also have a career goal. I want to become a businessman and a good leader in my own company. I am working hard to achieve my dream. I know that success takes time and effort, so I am ready to learn and improve every day. I want to have a good job, help my family, and live a happy life. In addition to my career, I have personal goals. I want to be a good person, make my family proud, and help others. I believe that happiness comes from kindness and hard work. I also want to travel and see the world. There are so many beautiful places to visit, and I want to experience them all. I know that life has challenges, but I always try to stay positive. When I face difficulties, I remind myself to stay strong and keep going. I believe that every problem has a solution, and every day is a new opportunity to grow. To summarize, my name is Ben. I come from England and I live with my family. I am a student and I enjoy learning. I have many hobbies like reading, cooking, and traveling. I am a kind and hard-working person. My goal is to speak English fluently and achieve my dreams. I believe in myself and I am excited about the future. Thank you for listening to my introduction. I hope you enjoyed it. I am happy to share my story with you. I look forward to learning more and improving my English every day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more.